You want to show Daddy how you can build? Show Daddy how you can build. Ready? Can you put one on top? Good. That's good, Lewis. Blocks. Yeah, blocks. Can you put this block on here? Lewis. Well, he tried. Did you see that? Can you put it right there? Oh, you want to take that one. Okay. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Yeah. Hi, Daddy. Good baby. Say hi. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Dada. Can you wave? You did it once. That was good. You show Daddy how you build a tower? Well, he's more interested in them, at least, as you can see. He tries to stack them on top of each other anyways. Blocks. Are those blocks? Blocks. I'm Mama. Can you say Mama? Are you all done playing with the blocks? You're going to come over here, aren't you? Block. Yeah, block. He likes to sit on them too for some reason. They don't seem to hurt his little tush. Block. Block. Hi. I'm Mama. I'm Mama, not Nana. Yeah, hi. Hi. Can you say Mama?
Mama.
Yeah, can you say Dada? Woo, hello. Can you say Dada? Alright. There's Lewis reaching for the camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alright. Love you, baby boy. Right? Can you say we love you, Daddy? Not yet. Say bye-bye. We're good at hi, not bye yet. Alright. We love you, dear. There's Lewis's ear. Bye.